The Thirsty Crow. One hot day, a thirsty crow flew around looking for water. He flew over fields and forests, but he couldn't find any water. He was starting to get very thirsty. Finally, the crow saw a pitcher of water below a tree. He flew down to the pitcher and saw that there was a little bit of water at the bottom. The crow tried to reach the water with his beak, but the pitcher was too high. The crow thought for a moment. He knew that he had to find a way to get the water. He looked around and saw some pebbles on the ground. He had an idea. The crow picked up a pebble and dropped it into the pitcher. The water level rose a little bit. The crow dropped another pebble and then another. The water level kept rising. After a while, the water level was high enough for the crow to drink. The crow drank the water and flew away, happy and refreshed. Moral of the story: if you have a problem, don't give up. Use your brain and think of a solution. With a little bit of effort, you can overcome any obstacle. Here are some other moral lessons that children can learn from this story. Be resourceful. The crow used his surroundings to find a solution to his problem. He didn't just give up when he couldn't reach the water with his beak. He used his brain and found a way to get what he needed. Don't be afraid to try new things. The crow had never dropped a pebble into a pitcher before, but he was willing to try it. He didn't know if it would work, but he was determined to find a way to get the water. Never give up. The crow kept dropping pebbles into the pitcher, even though it took a long time. He didn't give up even when he was tired. He knew that if he kept trying, he would eventually reach his goal.